When answering the phone, you need to be able to answer questions about our restaurant, such as the hours of operation, specials, address, etc. You should answer within the first 3 rings of the call. You should not sound as if you are in a hurry and never express annoyance at questions. Be as helpful as possible. The proper way to answer the phone is, "Thank you for calling the Dixie Diner. This is Molly. How may I help you?" If you must put a customer on hold, ask for permission beforehand. For example, "May I ask you to hold on for 1 moment, please?" Or "Will you hold, please?" Always wait for an answer to this question. If you place a call on hold for another call, put the new call on hold and go back to the original call. For multiple calls, always return to the caller in the order that the call came in. Never leave a call on hold indefinitely. If you cannot find that person that the caller is seeking, ask if they would like to leave a message. For example, "Dawn is not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?" If you take a message, always get the caller's full name, phone number, date, and time of call. If a caller has a question that you do not know the answer to, ask if you may put the caller on hold and you will find someone to assist him or her. Always thank the customer for calling and use their name. When taking reservation, be sure to 1. Ask for the first and last name of the customer. 2. Ask for the day and date of the reservation. 3. Ask for the size and time of the reservation. 4. Ask for a phone number from the customer. 5. Always repeat the day, date, time, and number of the people in the party back to the customer. 6. Ask if they are celebrating a special occasion. 7. Ask to which email address may I send your reservation confirmation? That's it. Should you have any questions, please contact your supervisor.